Look, is that Aunt Sarah? Kaya. Don't worry about that. Who's this? Is that Aunt Sarah?
Sarah?
Aunt Sarah, that's right. Look, we can see her in the camera. Should we find Aunt June? Let's go find Aunt June. Where did Aunt June go?
Oh, Aunt June.
Where's Aunt June? Oh, look. There's Aunt June. And right there's Aunt June.
Where's you?
Aunt June. Let's find Uncle Jarrett. Look. That's Uncle Jarrett. Say hi, Uncle Jarrett. Uncle Jarrett? Uncle Jarrett's got a bike. We had such a messes in this room. Kaya, can you say hi, Uncle Jarrett?
Hi, Jarrett.
There you go. Let's see who else we can find. Uncle Jarrett, that's right. Okay, now let's look at pictures of Aunt June's and see if we can find Grandpa. Okay? There's Grandpa. Can you say hi, Grandpa? That's Grandpa. Say hi, Grandpa.
No.
You want to say hi, Grandpa? Why not? It's Grandpa. Grandpa loves you very much. You should give him a kiss.
Sarah.
Aunt Sarah. Aunt Sarah. Grandpa.
Sarah.
Aunt Sarah. Yes. Aunt June. And who's that? No, that's Aunt Sarah. That's Aunt June. And that's Grandma. Yeah, Grandma. And that's Grandpa.
Grandpa.
Hey, hi, Grandpa. You want to give Grandpa a kiss?
No, Daddy.
Huh?
Call Daddy.
And call Daddy. Daddy's working, honey.